on this computer. Okay, here we go, guys. So, welcome everybody. We'll get started with a bit of stretching. So reach up, nice and tall. Feel length and lifting up and feel like you're engaging these muscles down here. And I want you to go and I will mute all because I hear some. There you go. Good. And then we'll twist. And touch your toes. And rolling on up. And yesterday we did this one where we do 8. And as we do them, we'll do some. Ready? So we'll go. And back down. Good. And maybe we'll stretch to one side. Cool. Good. Grab my chair. Here we are back. Okay, well, we'll start with some lip trills. So B flat, ready? So we'll go. Ready, go. Keep the airflow steady. And you go if you can, or keep on the boom. Good. So, finding more range is really about our larynx and how open we are in our throat. If we get too open in the extremes of range, so low and high, things start to not work so well to get sound out. So, right, so like Patrick from SpongeBob or Eeyore, that's like way too open down here. So people tend to go, ah, rather than ah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ah, 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 like an evil laugh. And I want you to think about ga, 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 getting your tongue up and making it more of an ah vowel, not an ah vowel. Oh, ah, ah, ah. And we're gonna go ah, 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 keeping the sound forward. Ah, yes, yeah, yeah. No. So do you see the difference? Keeping the sound forward, keeping your larynx up. So let's try another one. It goes dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. And we'll do that one going down. Ready? Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. And make it really like, oh my God, yeah? Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. Yeah. dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, really forward to. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig, dig, dig. So my larynx is very high and the sound is very forward. Basses and altos could probably go way lower. So it's the same for the top. You don't want to open up as you go up. I've always heard in the world of singing that the way to work on your top notes is to work on your bottom notes. And so what we just did and that feeling really helps you to find your higher notes more effortlessly. So because the exact same thing happens to people. So let's start with we'll do some and as we do this, as we do Star Wars, don't let your larynx drop. Everyone try that actually. Let your larynx drop. So now keep your larynx up. Good, keeping your larynx up. Good, another one. One more. Good. And let's go. Let's try some. The other thing that why people can't sing high notes is because they go up with too much thickness or chest voice. Oh, so letting your voice shift as it goes up. So actually, let's do some ers. And feeling that nothing is changing, but something is shifting as you go up. I'll mute people again. Oh, hey Cam, muting you. Yeah. And feeling like nothing is going to change. Everything stays in the same place, letting it shift. Let's try one more. And let's go. Let's try some. Ga 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 ga. And we're gonna try that, keeping everything the same and letting the shift happen. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. The G helps to keep your tongue up high and the space smaller and your larynx higher as well. Ga 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 ga. 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 Good. Ga 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 ga. 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 Good. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. high and hard. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. And you see my face right now. That's all the head and neck anchoring, as they call it in Estel, is working really hard to keep my larynx relaxed and stable as I go up into those high notes. Good. Let's try some ooey ooey ooeys. We're kind of going back and forth between belty things and more operatic. So let's start ooey ooey here. Ooh. So what you want is to keep your tongue high, E, on both the oo and the E. Ooey 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 still keeping the sound nice and forward. The next, or one kind of final exercise, which is from Estel as well, is the Siren. So what I want you to do is an NG sound. Sing, sing. So the last, and we're gonna do some sirens. I want you to go up as high as possible, and as you're doing the sirens, try it with a low larynx. It just stops. But if you let your larynx go up a little bit as you're going higher, you see what my face did as well as I went up. The anchoring increased. Let's try one more. One more. So there you get that feeling of your larynx going up and getting smaller as you go higher, and that is really, really important on all those high notes. Let's try, I want to go MIMO, 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 my. MIMO, 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 my. Let's try some of those. MIMO, 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 my. MIMO, 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 my. We'll go work up. MIMO, 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 my. MIMO, 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 my. This time let's do it on B's. Bebo, 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 bee. Bebo, 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 bee. One more on Bebo, ready? Bebo, 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 bee. Bebo, 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 bee. I can't play that one. And let's end with a few. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Ready? Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. One more. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami, and maybe my mommy may not. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.